Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12X, and today I would like to show you how we can switch on or off app notifications from chosen apps on this smartphone. Firstly, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose Notifications and Control Center. Then tap on App Notifications and select one of your apps, like AliExpress. Then when I click on the switcher next to it, all notifications from this app are now blocked. If you wish to enable them, just click on the same switcher. You can also just tap on one of your apps and manage notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!